Another category of goods is merit and demerit goods. Merit goods are mainly provided by government, and government thinks all people do not afford them to buy, but they must have them. Therefore, government produces these goods, or government may provide subsidy to private producers to sufficiently produce them. Such goods create positive externalities, or they create positive side effects. And examples of merit goods include plantation, education, and vaccination. And because plantation, education, and vaccination not only benefit to the consumers themselves, but they also benefit to the third party or to the community. For example, plantation not only gives benefit to the person who has grown it, but the non-members like neighbors and other people living in the area benefit in the form of fresh air and oxygen. Generally, merit goods are underproduced and underconsumed due to information failure, because people don't have sufficient information about the benefits of such goods, so they generally underconsume them. State intervention in case of provision of merit goods is very important. If government cannot produce such goods, then government may provide substantial amount of subsidy to ensure that these goods are sufficiently provided to the community. Then demerit goods. Demerit goods are generally provided by private sector of economy, and such goods create negative externalities or negative side effects which is caused to the third party. For example, smoke of factory, cigarettes, alcohol, and non-prescribed drugs, etc. These goods are overconsumed in free market economy, and they are generally overproduced as well. And this happens because of, again, information failure. So creation of negative externalities is the main feature of demerit goods, and these are the examples of demerit goods, and they are overproduced and overconsumed due to lack of information, because consumers don't have sufficient information about the drawbacks or about the disadvantages of that product. In case of demerit goods, government generally controls the production and consumption of demerit goods by imposing heavy indirect taxes, or government may also ban it. And there is generally misconception about merit and demerit goods. The same product may be treated as merit good by one person, and it may be treated as a demerit good by another person. So it is a matter of value judgment and opinion. One product may be good in eyes of one person, and it may be bad in eyes of another person. So it is a matter of value judgment or personal opinion about the nature of product. Value judgment is judgment of goods and services based on our own opinion. One person might consider one thing good, but it might be bad in the eyes of another person. Therefore, we allow the paternalism as legal part of economics, where society can be the good judge to evaluate whether something is good or bad, rather than the opinion of a certain person.